Here we are on the grounds of the Goodyear Hunting and Fishing Club for our annual 1996 Christmas party. And with all the new arrivals. Well, when you guys come in the door over the light, where the light's at. They'll be coming in right here.
Oh, and I'll be getting a pot right here.
It's too early. That's what happens to Cindy's mashed potatoes, that she cooks them too long. Did you see them last night?
Here's Joanne,
And here's
Andy.
Candy. Here we are.
Two of the helpers.
Two beautiful babes.
For the party that'll be held in the Goodyear Hunting and Fishing Club's domain.
More room, isn't there? Was that Darlene, honey?
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, goodness. Hi, Daddy. How are you? My sister's there. I thought so.
Hi!
This is
I took your
Candy.
picture.
This is my brother-in-law, Carl.
Not
This
your brother. There is no brother.
No, I
okay,
can't.
it's my brother. This is my sister, Darlene. I am
Get over here.
Video camera. Oh, hi! Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to everybody. Come right on in. You've got to come in and get your pictures taken. Hi, you. Corey? Who's that kind of hiding out? Yeah, show me your pretty face, huh? You bring me a present? Okay, I have to get everybody on this tape.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. All right, there's Richard. Hi, Sue. Come on in to the annual Christmas party. Glad to see you. Merry Christmas. Come on in. Merry Christmas.
I can't believe Santa leave me a bike.
He did.
I love bars.
Somebody's awful slow coming in the door.
I have one.
Santa Claus? We thought you were Santa Claus.
Yeah.
I don't understand this camera.
How are you? We have another little girl named
And here's the mother of all these lovely children. Take a bow.
We survived Christmas morning.
Oh, God, I guess. That's a task, isn't it? Come on in and have a big time, boy. Yeah, I see you are. Come on in. Come on in, folks. We're having a party here today. The annual Chris Festival or whatever it is.
The Chris Festival?
I guess.
What? What's good about that?
Isn't it the cutest thing in the world? I love it.
I'll be darned. Where's Candace? Oh, there she is. All right. You want to see what a real pie looks like. It was made for me, right? Denise made it for me.
Up front and personal.
Okay.
Hello, Grandpa.
Okay, get it out of the way. Thank you.
You should have had that on the phone.
I did have it when you first come in with it, honey.
Joanne's brother-in-law. Which one are you? Watermelon son.
I see you.
Lord, son? Yes.
And you. I used to have a bite to eat, huh? All right. And here they are eating their dinners. All right.
Yummy, yummy.
When did you guys get
Okay.
Dad, that's some nice writing on the walls out there.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
No, it's not.
Hunting is murder.
Yeah.
Shows if the kids can read it or not.
All right.
Where do we want to go with this?
Anywhere in front of the tree will be all right. Come in, another visitation by another one of the family of the Chris's for our annual party.
Present?
Come on in to the happy party. Linda, hi.
Hi.
And Joe. Come on into the annual Chris party here. We'll have some good eats.
Oh wow, look who's here. Oh hi.
And here's the main cook of the day.
I'll take care of your
And the helpers.
Thank you.
Put your head up, Robert, so I can see you, boy. Uh-huh.
How's my Christmas?
Merry Christmas to you people.
Three left standers at one table?
That's right, there is. 1, 2, 3.
Come on in. Come this way. And don't stop. I got to get everybody's picture on here.
Go ahead, take your coats off.
And there's the boss coming in last. I don't know why the boss always comes in last. Hi, you. I'm getting your picture.
I'll put all ours down here.
Come on in, Ronnie. How you doing today? All right, where's Sayudi? Here she comes.
Dad, let me put these. Something in here. Poke on.
Yeah. He didn't know who voted.
Hi, you. All your kids are here. We're glad to see you came by.
Better late than never.
That's all right.
You made it.
We're glad you could make it.
You have a hanger on it?
All right. Let me see these little presents. All right. Okay.
And that's it. It's recording.
Right, it's usually a big hit. You're very good at it.
See, I'm learning.
You're learning.
Well, I don't know why, maybe that's why he didn't walk since he was 14 months.
Move it slowly. That way
He
it picks
did
up.
graduate over.
Don't
His
it?
dad walked like year one, age one.
That's when they normally walk. You're warming your feet around the fireplace.
Now, why is that little thing, Dad, blinking in there? See that little
I don't
thing?
know, but I think that's the time. Now you have to press it to make the pause come up on it.
Okay, right. It's recording right now.
Okay.
And I'm not even pressing the red button.
All right, press it and it'll stop it.
If you don't get in your chair, I'm going to drink my beer.
Can't have that.
Hey, when you go home, Joe, can you come down even?
Yeah. Take 42, right?
Is there a Zoom here, Dad?
You are sorry.
Scoot over just a tad. I gotta scoot back, honey. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Scoot over more. I gotta scoot my chair back.
Okay, I won't
Just sentimental there.
Is this an air conditioner? No, but you won't be able to take that in the sun with you.
Don't take it.
I got the top of your head in that, Rod.
Is it a sled?
Scoot back, Robert.
How'd you guys? I have no idea what it is. I thought it was going to be a software.
I heard baby for next year. That's your cabin.
I know what it is now.
I know what it is.
You kept your mouth shut too?
Snow thrower. How did you know I needed that?
You had the new driveway.
Throw it yourself.
Hey, that's great. I thought this was for both of us. Oh, she gets to use it once in a while, right?
They felt sorry for me out there shoveling the snow.
Oh, they did.
I don't know if you want to do that.
You have a knife?
Larry does. Yeah, okay, I got stuff at home already.
Make sure I put that in.
Alex.
Alex.
Oh, I'm sorry, Robert.
Hey,
Oh,
is that for me? Not that heavy at all. Go ahead. Yeah, more this time.
Thank you,
That beer.
sweetheart. Well, I
Well, good for Tracy. What a fine job. She was just getting used to the ones I ran from. Take the gift out.
That's right.
Take the gift out. There you go.
Look, this is what Michael got. This is what Michael got.
Sue. Get out of the way.
I thought you were talking about one of these big guys.
Michael.
Michael, turn around. Look at Robert.
Me and Linda got it for you.
Linda got it for you.
Ready?
She's the best.
She won't get it.
Yeah.
She'll throw it away.
Grandpa can say it like
Hi, Jennifer. Jennifer.
Do it, Sue.
Huh, is that
I
flying?
should be up here. Grandpa from Sarah. Oh, there you are. I didn't see you. Remember that. She's gonna disappear. Look at that.
Take it everywhere with you.
It's what?
That's Grandma's dog.
Is that Grandma's? Okay. We'll roll back up real quick and let her open it.
No, Sarah gave it to Grandpa.
Grandpa. She gave it to you. Oh, well. Sarah did.
I told you I'd get it back for you.
And this is Sarah, Alex, Michael, Lizzie, and Nikki. To Grandpa. Oh, boy. Did you get this for me, Michael? Where's my helper at? Is this for Grandpa and Grandma? You brought something else. Yeah. I usually save the paper, but I won't save it.
Right there, yeah, right there.
He always wanted to save the paper. He took it out for him. He knows how to probably use the same box. That's how many times he used the same box.
Look at this. Look at Grandpa. Hey, now you guys will know.
Right. I'll be back.
Sorry, it's an accident.
Isn't it, darling?
Laura,
That
is that a ranger? Is that Rudolph?
All right, Sarah
Got a
gave
red
it
nose.
to you.
Look at the one she got.
All right.
Ran out of room. Did that ever happen to you when you were growing up? I don't remember. Girl, sort of zigzagging. No, it's a little boy and little girl.
That's cute.
Okay. This is to Grandma.
This is.
This is for you guys.
I only get 3.
You think that's what I do, Sayuri?
I They come to your house all the time.
Do it to his grandma's kitchen.
I get it.
The two big boys of the family. Put your arms around him.
You want me to show you one of my moves?
No, Rob bought it for me. Actually.
And there's the pretty girls.
Put any clothes down. Like I left out.
My cat was
The rest of the
Go up and
monstrous family.
lay and just cross. Us moms are resting after the big Christmas bash.
Say it again?
Us moms are resting after the big Christmas bash.
Yes, you moms deserve it too. Sitting by the fire, just taking it nice and easy, huh?
That's right. But then what about you?
Hi, you.